A credit builder loan and a secured credit card can both help build credit, but they work in completely different ways. One builds payment history through a loan you repay over time, while the other builds credit through responsible credit card use. Choosing the wrong one for your situation can slow your progress instead of helping it. By the end of this video, you'll know how each option works, which one fits your goal, and when using both can make sense. The short answer is this. If you need to establish responsible credit card history, a secured card is usually the better starting point. If you struggle to save money, or want a structured monthly payment that gets reported to the credit bureaus, a credit builder loan may be a better fit. Here's how a credit builder loan works. Instead of receiving the money up front, the lender places the loan amount into a secured account. You make fixed monthly payments until the loan is paid off. Those payments are typically reported to the major credit bureaus. After you finish paying, you receive the money that was held during the loan term, minus any applicable fees or interest. A secured credit card works differently. You provide a refundable security deposit, and that deposit usually becomes your credit limit. You can then make purchases, pay the balance on time, and build payment history while learning to manage revolving credit. The biggest difference is the type of credit each product builds. A credit builder loan reports an installment account. A secured card reports a revolving credit account. Credit scoring models can consider both account types, so they serve different purposes instead of replacing each other. If your goal is qualifying for an unsecured credit card later, a secured card often gives you more practical experience because lenders can see how you manage available credit. Keep your balance low, make every payment on time, and avoid missing due dates. If sticking to a budget is your biggest challenge, a credit builder loan can be easier because the payment amount stays the same every month. Many people find fixed payments simpler to manage than changing credit card balances. Some people even use both products together. The loan builds installment payment history, while the secured card builds revolving credit history. That creates a more complete credit profile than relying on only one account. Here's the bottom line. Choose a secured card if you want to learn responsible credit card use. Choose a credit builder loan if fixed monthly payments fit your budget better. If you can comfortably manage both, using them responsibly may strengthen your overall credit profile over time. Your next step is to compare the fees, reporting practices, and eligibility requirements before applying for either product. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward credit guides.